my head.
Are you guys okay?
Sir? Where are we?
I don't know. But, let's see. Mr. Rubber Ducky, how are you still alive?
That's the criminal I was talking about.
Elmo, sorry, Mickey Mouse. Wait, Elmo sent you? Yeah? But still, how are you alive? 'Cause you're an agent? Makes sense. But, why'd you take us in? 'Cause Elmo's coming is gonna destroy the whole world? What? Not on my birthday. Are you ready to die? Get me out of these tight things.
I don't think we can get out. Oh no.
Okay, I got a plan. Let me just think about it for a little bit. I'm done thinking. Mickey Mouse, do your job. Okay, Mickey Mouse, that's enough. Too brutal.
More.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, can you get us out of the things, please?
Oh, sure. My gun's very sharp, you know.
Just shoot the knot.
Alright. Oh, that skinned my nose.
Okay, no, I'll be last. Shoot Oswald's knot.
Make sure not to hit me. Oh, I promise I won't hit you. Maybe. I don't
Just
know.
do it.
Oh, I'm good.
Okay, I'm really sensitive to stuff, so if you actually hit me, I'm probably gonna die. Okay.
Okay. Let me do it.
Careful. Oh! You hit my
Okay. Okay, Mr.Chicken? Leave him behind, guys. I think we should just go.
You shot me. You skinned some of my skin off, man. Oh, I could have died. What were you thinking? I told you I'm sensitive. Let's get out of here.
Alright, guys. I already knocked Mr. Rubber Ducky out. Now we have to hide him so the police won't find any evidence. Alright, we have to hide him in there. I'm gonna get him real quick. Okay. Dude, I could get fired. I could get fired from my detective job. I get paid a lot of money. Don't worry, Mr. Oswald. Yeah, Oswald. Sorry, first day meeting you. You're my brother. Oh, just throw him in there.
Just throw him in there. Just do it.
Bah.
Man.
What's that?
It's what? Money? Oh my god, it's a wallet. It's my birthday. Give it to me. Give it to me. That's what I thought. So no, we're about to find out when we get home. Come on, let's go.
I can't believe we actually did it.
I know, right?
Who's that guy? I think I know him. Bully, is that you?
Sure is.
Let me handle this. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, guys. Too bad you had to fire your old cameraman. I had to. He saw too much. Yeah, he couldn't walk no more. So you had to hire a new one. It makes sense. He's right. But you can't remember this at all. There. Right there. This detective work. If you don't want to go to jail, move along. I don't want to go to jail. I do not want to go to jail. Move, boy! You have to move right now. Did you know that
stuff like what? There you go. He's dead. I think he's dead. Okay, Mr. Chicken.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's get out of here.
I gotta put some weights on him so he can actually die.
Oh, dang, that's pretty brutal. Okay, guys, grab the wallet and let's go.
Alright, I got it.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, bully. Maybe I'll see you in another video. Just kidding, you're probably dead right now.